What's up, guys? We're back with another snack review and also a miniature unboxing. Today we are reviewing snacks that I got from Mensa Mart. Now, if y'all been living on a rock and don't know what Mensa Mart is, it's like an anime Hello Kitty dream. Like, they sell anime figures and boxes and stuff. They also sell Hello Kitty figures and boxes and stuff. They got some Harry Potter in there. They got Lilo Stitch in it. They got a bunch of stuff. They also sell snacks as well. So I decided to pick some snacks up there to taste test them to see if they hit or if they mix. And also, at the end of the video, we're gonna unbox this little Naruto kitty thing. It's supposed to be 8 different figurines. We're gonna see which one I got. You can get Kakashi. I'm guessing it's Naruto. That would make sense. Sakura, Sasuke, and then you can get Deidara, Sasori, Tamari, Gaara. To be fair, I kind of, if you look, you'd be like, oh, it's just the Akatsuki. Nah, you got the 4 main and then 2 others. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the snacks. So first off, we got Japan's version of nacho cheese. Now, I low-key kind of thought I picked up the taco or hamburger one. I guess I did. But we're going to taste these Doritos first. Now, you know we got to cut them open because they bags be hard to open. It's still a little different than our version of nacho cheese, but it's the same standard nacho cheese. Oh, that got a little sharp cheddar to that one. Oh yeah, it's like a powerful sharp cheddar. I think I like that nacho cheese better than our nacho cheese. That's down here. It's like an increased enhance of nacho cheese, but it's like cheddar cheese. Next up, we got, I'm guessing it's Twizzlers, their version of Twizzlers, but it's supposed to have sweet and sour filled jelly in here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. There's only 4 in here. Only 4 in here, I'm bad. So they're a little bitty bitty. So we're gonna go ahead and bite it. You know, can I see that jelly? Now this is totally different than the Antillas. Our Twizzlers, you have trying to get off one piece, but this one, like a softer licorice, and then that jelly in here compliments me. I kind of like that. I like that. That's better than our Twizzlers too. It's not as much resistance as you chewing like when you chew our Twizzlers, if that makes sense. This one's watermelon flavor, and you can taste it. That's not like similar to like watermelon General Rancher, but like it's a different watermelon candy. But yeah, that one turned out too. I stuck with both of them. Next, I picked this up from the H Market. I didn't really get this from Mensa Market, but I didn't want to have it standing alone by itself. So this is supposed to be basically an Oreo with pistachio cream. We're gonna say it like that. Or if you want to buy stuff without the stuff in it. All right. So yeah, regular Oreo with pistachio. Well, pistachio. I don't like the smell of it. But yeah, that's, I didn't like that. And then you got a little bit. Damn, that's not a lot of cream, but I guess so. Let's see what this is hitting on. I'm mostly tasting cookie, and then like at the end you can kind of get a taste of the filling, which is a kind of a little bit bitter. No, nah. That is a 9. That's a 3. Well, 2. Well, let's do 2. That's a 2 out of 10. Cause cause look at the picture. Now you think that's how this feels? No. That's a 2 out of 10. And then I'm mostly tasting cookie. If I just want a cookie, I just got the cookie. You feel me? And then why the cookie ain't balanced with the pistachio cream? You feel me? Why I gotta wait? But anywho, so we got these snacks, Twizzlers and that Dorito, fire. That cookie, nah. So let's go ahead and unbox. I'm gonna show y'all how cute this is. How cute is this? Oh man, y'all got the main character covered up? Y'all could at least put it at the bottom. We ain't gonna read the bottom. We won't read the pictures, but go ahead and open it. So before I open it, I'm hoping you know what? I would want a Datara little kitty. I want Datara. I do want Datara. Or you know, my man Kakashi, as you can see, we're channeling that. So we're gonna close my eyes. So put them up to the ceiling. Alright. Alright. So y'all gonna see it first. I don't know how the hell it's supposed to be. So yeah. So it is. Oh, y'all can't see it. It's Tamari. It's a lot of packaging in this little box. And I think this is something else in here. Oh, it's like a little oh shit, a poster or something. So yeah, basically this is a bigger version. This is kind of cool. We also got a figurine that we probably got over here. But yeah, that's what she basically was like. You know what? I ain't mad. Who doesn't want Tamari? So that's the end. And I'll see y'all guys next time.